Alright friends, the Realme GT 7 Pro is here, and this one packs some serious specifications. With so many options available in this price range, it's time to see if the Realme GT 7 Pro stands out. We'll unbox it, take a first look, and review everything inside and out. Let's get started. First up, the box feels larger and a bit heavier. As we open it, here's what we get: a SIM card ejector tool, some documentation, the phone itself. Wow, it has a premium feel in hand, and a USB-C charging cable. But let's keep that aside and dive into the main attraction, the phone. Taking a look at the phone, the first thing that catches your eye is the big camera module, and I mean, really big. Because of it, the phone doesn't lay flat and wobbles a bit on flat surfaces. The back of the phone has a vegan leather design, which looks stunning but might need extra care to keep it looking clean over time. It's a bit on the heavier side, weighing around 222 grams. The phone has a front-heavy feel due to the large camera module, but it feels sturdy and premium. We also get a metal frame, with a curved front and back display. The port layout is complete. The SIM card tray and USB-C port are at the bottom, power button on the right, and volume rockers on the left. On the top, there's a noise-canceling mic, an IR blaster, and even a speaker grill. Now, look at this display. It's a 6.78-inch, 1.5K curved display with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 4500 nits. The screen-to-body ratio is impressive, with ultra-thin bezels. Thanks to the curved edges, it's nearly bezel-less from the sides, and the viewing experience is going to be excellent. This screen also supports HDR10+, so it's ready for all kinds of media. Let's talk about what's under the hood. This device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the latest and greatest, and it's paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. For a powerhouse like this, Realme included a 5400 mAh battery with 100 watts wired charging and even 50 watts wireless charging. With these specs, it's ideal for multitasking, heavy gaming, and media consumption. And for gamers, you can play BGMI at 90 FPS, while other games like Call of Duty Mobile run at up to 120 FPS. It handles everything smoothly, so performance is definitely impressive. Now, here's where things get interesting: AI-based gesture controls. This phone lets you use various gestures for hands-free control. You can unlock the phone with face or even palm unlock, just by showing your hand. You can scroll through feeds with gestures or pinch to bring up recent apps. There are around 12 unique gestures in total. Although, from our tests, it works about 50 to 60% of the time, it's still a fresh and magical way to interact with your device. So there you have it, our first impressions of the Realme GT 7 Pro. The design is bold, the display is stunning, the performance is top-notch, and the AI gestures add a fun twist. Realme has clearly put in some extra effort with this device. If you're looking for something powerful and unique, the GT 7 Pro should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on the Realme GT 7 Pro in the comments below. Until next time, take care and see you soon.